Well, we're not sure, but we think that might be a type of milkweed. If any of you know, I'm pretty sure it is.
I think the butterflies
Let
all
us
over
know.
it.
Oh yeah, the butterflies love it. Absolutely love it. Into nature we go. Just went through a bunch of poison ivy. Ugh. Now I've got briars to get through. What? Yeah. Ouch. Briars, poison oak and ivy. Dangerous.
North Carolina wild.
Yeah, I don't like that stuff though, because it eats me up. I'm highly allergic.
Spiderweb.
Well, you're supposed to have the spider webs knocked down by the time I get to them, since you're in front of me. Oh, look at the mushrooms.
What is it?
Oh, what's that fuzzy thing?
That's what I was wondering.
I don't know. It's sure fuzzy. Or if it's a type of mushroom or something. See it? It's fuzzy. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. It's all frilly. And then over here, we've got beautiful log. Little log covered in mushrooms. Pretty mushrooms. I hear a bird. I'm just trying not to slide and fall or get into poison oak or ivy. And this is slick, honey. Right here is slick as glass. Look at that. Slick. For slick shoes that I have on. Really slick shoes. Pretty trees. There's some mushrooms growing up that tree. Pretty bark on that one. Oh, look at that wild looking mushroom. Or fungus of some sort. Get through here. Yep, I hear them. They is hollering. Man, I hate going through this ivy and get wet. When it's wet like that, it'll jump on you. I hear the birds big time.
It's got a bird.
I think they're mad at something.
I'm sorry it does. Probably just open.
Probably. He thinks they're teed off at us for coming up in here. Whoop! The tree tried to get me. No, I don't either. I don't either. See slick ground and nothing to hang on to. I'm gonna grab hold of you. Ow!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. Just knocked my glasses clean off my head. Tree limb just hit me in the head. Ow. Whew.
No.
You alright, baby?
Another web.
Oh yeah, I see him. We got a little tiny mushroom here. Yep, I think you're right. Spiderweb Haven. Look, there's an ant nest. Red ants. Pretty old log fallen.
Something's burrowed right there on here.
Oh, it is. Yep, there's a burrow there. Something got a home in there amongst these ferns. Oh my goodness. This is the bad way of going up with slick shoes on. What? Sorry, people. Beautiful ferns, though. Look at these ferns. Aren't they so pretty? Look, over there's another. I think over there's another burrow of some sort under that tree. See it? Wonder what lives amongst there. Whew. Oh, mercy. Hate walking into spider webs.